Hello friends, this is Yogesh and welcome to my channel Hello Sahitya Lovers. Friends, today I am going to deal with the MCQs of Special English Paper 9 from TYBA Semester 6. In this video, I am going to deal with the MCQs from Unit 1. So let us start. The question number 1. Who were the writers of the book Theory of Literature? The options are A. R. Scott James, B. Renvallek and Warren, C. David Deutsch, D. David Law. The right answer is B. Renvallek and Warren. Most of the chapters or most of the units 1 and 2 have taken from Renvallek and Warren's book Theory of Literature. Question number 2. The interest of biography is reflected in the options are A. Personality of the author, B. Author's book, C. Both A and B, D. Author's personal life. The right answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 3. Biographer can be called the blank of literary events. The options are A. Romantic, B. Modern, C. Critic, D. Historian. The right answer is D. Historian. Question number 4. Who first used the term biography, defining it as the history of particular man's life? The options are A. Shakespeare, B. Johnson, C. John Dryden, D. Renvallek. The right answer is C. John Dryden, who had first used the word biography. Question number 5. It is difficult to obtain biographical data of the blank writers. The options are A. Ancient, B. Modern, C. French, D. English. The right answer is A. Ancient or the past writers. Question number 6. How many types of poets are there? The options are A. 3, B. 2, C. 5, D. 4. The right answer is B. 2. They have subjective and objective poets. Question number 7. It is easy to write biography of. The options are A. Objective writers, B. Subjective writers, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The right answer is B. Subjective writers. Question number 8. The Prelude is an autobiographical work of. The options are T.S. Eliot, W.B. Yeats, W.H. Auden, and Wordsworth. The right answer is D. Wordsworth. Question number 9. Literature is an institution which uses the medium of language, which is a social creation. The options are A. Social, B. Literary, C. Historical, D. Modern. And the right answer is A. Social. Question number 10. Who said that literature represents a specific part of the society? The options are A. Renvallek, B. De Bernard, C. Dr. Johnson, D. T.S. Eliot. The right answer is B. De Bernard. Question number 11. Which does or do not influence on writer's ideology? The options are A. Society, B. Class, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the right answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 12. In the time of oral literature, bards depended upon for their livelihood. The options are family, B. Patron, C. Businessman, D. Both A and C. The right answer is B. Patron. Question number 13. In modern times, the social status of the writer depends upon the blank which he addresses. The options are A. King, B. patron, C. public, D. president. And the right answer is C, that is public. Question number 14. French Revolution is the result of the writings of options are A. Montaigne, B. Shakespeare, C. Bacon, D. Rousseau. The right answer is D. Rousseau. Question number 15. Literature is blank of life. The options are a mirror, B. the reflection, C. a representation, D. all of the above. The right answer is D. all of the above. Question number 16. Who said that literature is the product of social forces? The options are Eliot, B. Dryden, C. Taine, D. Harold Bloom. The right answer is B. Taine. Question number 17. How many types of mind are there? The options are A. 1, B. 5, C. 3, D. 2. The right answer is D. 2. Conscious and unconscious mind. Question number 11. The poet is possessed means the options are A. different from common man, B. his utterance come from unconscious mind, C. inspired by God, D. all of the above. The right answer is D. all of the above. Question number 19. Milton was hunchback, B. had a club foot, C. extra sensitive, D. blind. The right answer is D. blind. Question number 20. Who is the father of psychology? The options are A. Sigmund Freud, B. William James, C. Wilhelm Wundt, D. Karl Marx. The right answer is C. Wilhelm Wundt. Sigmund Freud is known as the father of psychoanalysis, and William James is known as the father of psychology in America. And William Wundt is one who started a first psychological lab. So he is known as the father of psychology. So right, the answer is C. Question number 21. Is the capacity of combining sensory perception? The options are A. psychology, B. aestheticism, C. synesthesia, D. Freudian concept. The right answer is C. synesthesia. Question number 22. Who has divided imagination into plastic and symbolic imagination? The options are A. Coleridge, B. Ribot, C. Carl Jung, D. Freud. The right answer is B. Ribot. Coleridge has divided imagination into primary imagination and secondary imagination. So here the right option is B. Ribot. Question number 23. Coleridge and De Quincey were addicted to. Options are A. cigarette, B. opium, C. liquor, D. none of the above. The right answer is B. opium. Question number 24. Who wrote philosophy and poetry? The options are Karl Marx, B. Emerson, C. Coleridge, D. George Bowes. The right answer is D. George Bowes. Question number 25. Who is the favorite poet of T.S. Eliot? The options are A. Shakespeare, B. Dante, C. Ezra Pound, D. John Milton. The right answer is B. Dante. He always used to keep the poetry of Dante in his pocket, and Eliot's Wasteland is dedicated to Ezra Pound. Question number 26. Who said beauty is truth? Truth, beauty. Options are Shakespeare, B. Wordsworth, C. John Keats, D. John Milton. The right answer is C. John Keats. Question number 27. Who wrote The Great Chain of Being? Options are A. A.O. Lovejoy, B. Dryden, C. John Keats, D. T.S. Eliot. Here the right answer is A. A.O. Lovejoy. Question number 28. Who wrote the Divine Comedy? The options are A.O. Lovejoy, B. Dryden, C. Dante, D. T.S. Eliot. The right answer is C. Dante. Question number 29. Who has traced the difference between idea and experience? The options are A. A.O. Lovejoy, B. Dilthey, C. Dante, D. T.S. Eliot. The right answer is B. Dilthey, who is one of the philosopher and critic. Question number 30. Eliot's critical essay were published in the options are A. Sacred Book, B. Secretary, C. Sacred Book, D. None of the above. The right answer is Sacred Book. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like and share the videos. Thank you.